Hey everybody, this is Cindy, Blue Star at Home. Today I'm going to show you how to use our Polyonlays. Polyonlays are laser cut wood appliques. They can be painted and they're bendable, so you can wrap them around curves and table legs. They come in a variety of styles. Today I'm going to use this 7-diamond geo shape to jazz up a little chest that I'm making. So hang tight and I'll show you those steps. Okay, step 1 is to paint your piece. I'm using Fusion's Midnight Blue and give this little chest 2 coats. Okay, after your paint has dried, it's time to glue them on. I'm using a little sponge brush to apply my glue. I'm using tacky glue, but any good quality wood glue would work. And you can just kind of brush it on or dab it on. I found that with that little sponge brush, I had pretty good control without getting glue everywhere. I'm applying my onlay in the natural wood color, but they're paintable, so if you want them to be a different color, you can paint them before you glue them on. Okay, once the glue has been applied, it's time to press your onlay in place. I just used good pressure and it applied well. You can use frog tape if you need to secure it a little bit better. I had very little glue that's oozed out from behind, but if you get some, just use a damp rag to wipe away the excess. And then you just wait a few minutes for the glue to dry and you're just about done. Here you can see that the glue has dried clear. There's no evidence of glue drips or anything. It's got a nice clean look, and so we're ready for hardware. And here she is, all finished. You can see that the Polyonlays really add some character to the piece. I was able to apply knobs in an opening in the design, but these are cuttable, so you can use a craft knife to trim away any parts that you need to make fit. They do not have to be top coated, so this is finished. I just glued them on and it is ready to go. I hope this helped you see how easy the Polyonlays are to use. All of the supplies are available at bluestarathome.com. And I carry the corners, the geo strips, shapes, lots of flowers and butterflies, and trim strips. So lots of options for design choices. Thanks for checking in, and I hope you'll like and follow. Have a great day.